Hello, welcome to Healthy Living Fitter channel by Florence Straka. In today's video, we are going to make a very healthy smoothie. It's going to be banana, mango, and cran pomegranate juice. That's what we are going to be using in this smoothie. And this is very healthy because cranberry has a lot of healthy properties that is good for our body. So that's what we are going to mix this smoothie with. So stay with me as I put everything together and we'll give it a taste and see how it comes out. I'll see you right here. Okay, so today's ingredients that we are going to use, this is going to be 1 cup of cran pomegranate juice. We are going to be using that, and I have a fresh, very ripe 1 cup of mango. That's what we are going to be using. And then I have a very well ripe banana. You always want to have your fruits very ripe. The reason being because we don't want to add any sweetness to this. We want to enjoy this naturally and get all the healthy benefit that we need. The reason to, being healthy, that's why we are making these healthy smoothies. So we don't want to be adding anything else. Okay, so we want to have a very ripe fruit to be able to get the sweetness we want, so we don't have to add anything else, any sweetness to this. So I am going to put this in the blender, which is going to be the 1 cup of very ripe mango, and then the banana. I am just going to take this off and then make sure I don't have any strings. Get all that. You can see how ripe this banana is. So our smoothie is going to be really sweet at the same time natural, so I have 1 cup of very ripe mango in here. This is the banana, peeling it off, and we are going to, I'm just gonna cut this in here and drop it in. Add that to the mango, and then we're gonna add our 1 glass of cran pomegranate juice. And all we have to do is we are just going to blend this. So now we are just going to blend this. Okay, our blend is ready. It's ready, and I'm going to open this. You can see this is very color thick, and I can smell the mango already. And we're gonna pour this in a glass and give it a taste. Okay, and then here we go. I'm going to pour this. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at the thickness, the color. This is so amazing, so neat. Look at it. And it smells so lovely from the mango. You can taste the smell that is coming out of it. So delicious. So I'm gonna give it a taste and tell you how it tastes like. Okay, so we just finished making our healthy mango, banana, cran pomegranate juice smoothie. And you can see the taste. Look at that. It looks so lovely, and I'm gonna give it a taste and see how it tastes like. This is really good. We did not add any sweetness to this, but this is sweet because the banana is very ripe. The mango is very ripe. So with all these 2 ingredients combined, make it sweet. You do not need to add any sweetness to this. It's just right the way it is, natural, because we are trying to have a healthy meal, healthy smoothie. This is the only way you'll be able to make your smoothie very healthy. If you add anything else to it, like the sugar, like honey, you destroy the purpose of making the healthy smoothie, and you just destroy the purpose of it. So do not add any sweetness to this. Make sure your banana very ripe, your mango is very ripe. That is the way you get the sweetness from it. If the banana or mango is half ripe, you are not going to get the sweetness. So then you need to add something else to make it sweet. So let it ripe, buy the banana, the mango, put it on the counter, let it stay for a week, and it ripes nicely on a room temperature, and you get the sweetness, everything in it. And you add your cran pomegranate juice. You can use any juice you want. I just prefer to use a cran pomegranate juice. You can use orange juice, you can use milk, anything the way you want it. And so I've tried all, and this is what I wanted to see how it comes out, and it comes out perfectly. And so if you want to make this, make it and see how it comes out for you. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share, comment, and like. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below for me and I'll get back to you. As always, I thank you very much for watching my videos. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and I hope you make this smoothie and let me know in the comment section how yours came out, because I would love to know what juice did you use to make your smoothie, and just let me know how it goes. So I'd love to hear from you. As always, stay blessed and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.